Next, I would like to show you how to create a modal and how to open the modal when the user clicks on a button. So right now we still have this state where we have the job cards, and the job cards already have a button, but the button doesn't really do anything because here we don't specify any on click. So first maybe we look at the modals documentation in React Bootstrap. So it's on the React Bootstrap website. And here we see, okay, so we will need some use state. We already have that. We will import the modal. And here we see that, okay, they define a show hook with default false. And then they define two methods, very simple, that either close or either show, set the show variable to true and false. So here we have a button that will probably open the modal because on click it calls handle show. And here we also see the modal, which is here has the show given. So whatever show is, if it's false, then the modal will be hidden, and if it's true, it will be shown. So by default, it will be hidden because by default the value is false. So and then there's some contents inside. And for example, when the user clicks on close, then the modal is closed. Okay, so what we will do is first we need to import modal. I already have that. And I will now add this part into my job card, because of course for each job card we need like one basically separate modal, right? So we will write the code in here, and this we can also just copy because this will be the same pretty much. And now we will define this modal. Okay, so here it's still inside of those, but outside of the card, we will define the modal, and we will say here show is equal to show, and we will just have some kind of header, which is defined like this, modal title, and we can paste this in here. Okay, yeah, we can activate the close button option for that, and we will now have this. So now what we need to add additionally is to define that with this button we want to have the on click, and on click what should be called, of course, the handle show. So here we will write the handle show. Okay, always remember, write it without this parentheses, just the function. Okay, so now I think when we click it should already show this modal, but probably we will not be able to close it because I've not here defined anything that uses handle close. But let's see if that works. So if we now reload this web page and we click on apply now, then it opens this, but we cannot really close it. So to close it, we, for example, can define additionally on hide, and I think this will be enough to close it with the cross. So whenever I save this file, actually, the server will reload this web page. So now when you see that now when we click on this, it will close it, and when you click on outside of the modal, it also closes it. So for example, when we would like to write something related to the job, do you want to apply for the job? And then here we want to write the job name, so again job title. Now when you click here, do you want to apply for the job front-end developer? And when you click here, do you want to apply for the job back-end developer? So this is how you add a modal to some component, in this case next to our card. And whenever we click on this button, this modal will be shown.